In this video, I'm continuing my series on how to become a more successful lawyer in your law firm. I was an adjunct professor at my law school, and I did teach a class to my students on how to become more successful while working at a law firm. And I want to share those tips with you. Today, I want to talk about the importance of writing. But first, my name is Frank Spector. I'm a medical malpractice lawyer in Maryland and in DC. I also had the privilege of working at a large law firm as a young lawyer. And many of the tips that I'm sharing with you are tips that were given to me and helped me be more successful while working at a law firm. The truth is that lawyers just don't get enough experience in writing or being exposed to people who have excellent writing. As a lawyer, it's really important to be able to hone your skills, to be able to write clearly, effectively, and concisely. Whether that's an internal memo to the partner that you're working on the case with, that could be a document in a transaction, that could be a legal brief, that could even be letters to opposing counsel. All the writings that we do as lawyers have to be honed. It's not something that we're born with, and it's not something that we can just learn without having good mentors. We need people to be able to help us with our writing, and that's what I did. I sought out the people in my law firm who were known as the best writers. And that's the tip that I suggest for you. Now, let me tell you, it's not that easy because you have to have a lot of humility. Because when I would submit my written work to the lawyer in the law firm who's known as the best writer, there was a lot of red ink that came back, a lot of corrections. Many times he didn't like what I wrote at all. He gave me great suggestions, though, on how to improve my writing. But I kept my mind open, and I checked my humility at the door because I wanted to become a great writer. And I know that doing anything is going to involve a lot of pain and trial and tribulation. So I was willing to put myself through that. And it did take time. It didn't happen overnight. But after a while, I began to develop a writing skill that helped me be more clear and more concise. And I did become a better writer. Writing is such a crucial skill that lawyers have because many times we're dealing with so many complex issues that our job is to narrow those complex issues down and to be able to put them on paper or on a computer in a really clear way. Because many times when we have a situation like our clients are explaining something to us, it can be all over the place. And unless we're able to have the writing skills to be able to hone that down and to make it something that we're proud of, it takes a lot of work. So my tip for today, get yourself a mentor, someone who you know is a great writer. Put yourself through that process. Check your humility at the door, and I guarantee you will become a much better writer. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please hit that like and subscribe button. I want you to take advantage of all of my free videos so that you can have many of your questions answered. Thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you again on one of my future videos.